Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use Slack Huddle. So here I am in my Slack account dashboard, and in order to go to my workspace, I just need to click on the Launch Slack button right here. And then if you have the Slack application installed in your desktop, you can go ahead and click on Open Slack. But if not, you can just click on Cancel and then click the link right here to use Slack in your browser. So here is the Slack application open in my browser, and a great way to call your coworkers or your other team members here in Slack is to use Huddles. And in order to create a huddle, you just need to click on this headphone icon right here at the upper right. And then you can see right here, it says Start Huddle in Project How to Do channel. So every channel you can create a huddle, and then you can also create a huddle with a specific user only. So if you want to have like a one-to-one call conversation. So for example, here I am in the Project How to Do channel, and if I click on Start Huddle, it will automatically have this window right here that says that a huddle is happening. And then of course you need to turn on your microphone and then your video permissions in your browser. To do that, you can just click on right here if you are using Google Chrome. So click here and then turn on your microphone, and then you can also turn on other permissions such as video. So I can turn this on currently since I am using my mic in this video, but if you are using Slack, you can just turn that on. And then there are a bunch of different features right here in the Slack Huddle. This one is to turn on your mic on and off. This one is to turn on your video if you have a camera. This icon right here is a share screen feature so that you can share your screen while calling your other coworkers so that you can discuss with them the specific like information that they need to know. And as you can see, Slack Huddles also has a background music. So if you want to turn this off, you can just click the button right here to turn off music. And then you can also send a reaction whenever you are in a huddle. And then you also have this icon right here to invite more people. And then if you want to invite people, you can just go ahead and type their name right here, or you can also copy the huddle link, and then for example, I paste it here. This will be the look of the huddle link so that whenever users go to this link, they will be automatically joined in the huddle. And then you have this more options right here. If you want to explore some other features, you can copy the huddle link again, go to the channel, add a specific topic, choose a huddle theme, choose a huddle language. You can show captions as the people in your huddle are speaking. And then you can also have a video background right here. You can adjust your video and mic settings, and then you can also preview your video before turning it on. And then you can also click on this icon right here to open the huddle window in a different browser like that. So if you want to have a more focused huddle session right here. And then in order to end the huddle call, you can just click on leave right here. And then a message right here that says you are in the huddle by yourself for 3 minutes, and then it will automatically disappear. So it just says the time that you spent in the huddle. And then that is it. That is how we use the Slack Huddle. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.